150 million is the total number of traders who exist in stock market. Do you know, out of these, 90% of traders who never earn their first $100? If he talks about earning consistent money by trading, only 0.06% of traders earn their first $1 lakh. And literally, less than 0.05% of traders means out of 1,000, there is only one trader who will hit his first $1 million milestone. After listening this data, if you're feeling demotivated, or after hearing all this information, now you're starting to doubt your dreams of becoming a profitable trader, then wait. This is the only video you must have to watch before you start your trading journey. Here's the shocking truth. Even the top 1% of the profitable traders face the exact same problem, which you are facing today. The only difference is they don't waste their time chasing random YouTube advice or just jump from one investing to next, or because here's a market new headline, or a big tips said by his friend that he watch a viral reels on social media that the influencers kept saying, "This is the big opportunity you've been waiting for. Buy this stock today, and it could change your entire life forever." So you decide to test the market with just $100. On day 1, you make $10. Day 2, another $20. By the end of the week, you're up to $50. Suddenly, trading feels easy. Your confidence skyrockets. You start thinking, if I can make this much with just $100, imagine what I could make with $10,000. So you deposit $10,000. At the exact same time, the headlines are screaming, "This stock is about to skyrocket." Financial influencers call it the next big opportunity. Your friend says, "I already invested, and I'm sure it's going even higher." Suddenly, you feel like you're the only one being left behind. So, without thinking twice, you hit the buy button. Day 1, the market goes up. Day 2, the candles keep climbing higher and higher. Your portfolio turns green. You can't stop smiling. You start thinking, I'm going to be rich. I'll buy my dream house, a luxury car, and finally live the life I've always wanted. You thank God. You even thank your friend for giving you the perfect stock tip. Then you laugh to yourself, and you start thinking, trading isn't hard at all. Why did everyone make it sound like trading is so difficult? You start calculating how much you'll make next month. You even begin thinking about quitting your job. That night, you fall asleep with a smile on your face. In your dreams, you're driving a Lamborghini, walking into your dream mansion, living the life you've always imagined. Suddenly, your phone rings. It's your friend, Sam. Half asleep, you answer with a smile. "Thanks, bro. That stock tip changed my life." But your friend isn't celebrating. He's panicking. His voice is shaking. "Wake up! Bro, wake up! The market just crashed! We're wiped out!" Your heart drops. You grab your phone. Every notification says the same thing. Market crash. Stocks plunge. Billions wiped out. Now you open the news. Every news channel is covering the crash. With trembling hands, you open your trading account. The screen refreshes. Your profits are gone. Then your savings disappear. Your account is almost empty. You are bankrupt now. You just sit there, frozen. No excitement, no confidence, just silence. Then one question keeps echoing in your mind. Why did I risk everything based on someone else's advice? And that's the moment you realize the market didn't destroy your money first. It destroyed by your greedy mindset. So, for 99% traders, this is where they end their trading journey. They quit. They convince themselves that trading is just gambling. But only 1% decide to stay. And that doesn't mean now they will become profitable. And that's where the real challenge begins. Because surviving the first crash doesn't mean the hard part is over. It means the hard part has just begun. Now they start searching for answers like, what's the best trading strategy? How do I make bigger profits? How do professional traders never lose? You spend hours watching YouTube videos, jumping from one strategy to another, buying online courses, following influencers, listening to self-proclaimed trading gurus. Every day, a new strategy. Every week, a new indicator. Every month, another promise of guaranteed profits. But the more information they consume, the more confused they become. Because the problem was never the strategy. The problem was the mind using it. After a market crash, it's incredibly easy to click on videos with titles like, "The best trading strategy ever. Turn $100 into $10,000. This stock is about to skyrocket." Your brain immediately thinks, "This is the advice I've been missing." So you watch the video. You apply the strategy for a few days. Then another video appears. A better strategy, a secret indicator, a guaranteed setup, and you click again. Soon, you're jumping from one strategy to another, one indicator to the next, one expert to another. The cycle never ends. Why? Because your brain is consuming information, and it feels like you are making progress. You feel productive. But your trading never actually improves. If you're new to trading, finding trustworthy advice is one of the hardest things you'll ever do. I will not name any channels, but you've probably seen videos claiming, "This stock is guaranteed to explode. This is your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Follow this strategy and never lose again." What they rarely teach you is the psychology behind consistent trading and staying calm in panic situations before you become a profitable trader. Because psychology isn't as exciting as promises of easy money. And here's the dangerous part. Some creators keep convincing beginners that success comes from chasing the next headline, the next stock tip, the next breaking news, the next secret strategy. So beginners keep watching their channel again and again. Keep clicking. Keep hoping, but never build the one thing that actually creates long-term success, the right mindset. But at this point, barely 1% of the people will be able to survive this and break that cycle. They stop chasing every new strategy, stop believing every headline, and commit to one proven approach. Now, you might be thinking, "Thank God, so now all problems are solved." No. It's not even close yet. Just because you understand that psychology matters doesn't mean you'll master your emotions overnight. Just because you know you shouldn't chase every YouTube tip doesn't mean you'll suddenly become disciplined. And just because you stick to one strategy doesn't mean you'll become profitable the next day. Because trading psychology isn't something you learn, it's something you earn. Through losses, through mistakes, through fear, through greed, through patience. These are some lessons no book can teach, no YouTube video can explain, and no course can sell you. They can only be learned through experience. That's the price every profitable trader has to pay. To build that experience, you'll have to make sacrifices. You'll have to ignore the noise, stay consistent, stay disciplined, and keep showing up even when nothing seems to be working. Because success in trading isn't about finding the perfect strategy. It's about mastering yourself while everyone else is chasing the next shortcut. Because experience is earned, not downloaded from a YouTube video. You'll have to do what the majority of traders simply aren't willing to do. And that's the real reason why I say, why 99% of traders will never earn their first consistent $100 in the market. Because trading isn't just a money game, it's a game of showing up every single day. So, now you might be thinking, should I just give up on my dream of becoming a profitable trader? No, you're asking the wrong question. Instead, ask yourself, how do I avoid becoming like everyone else? Before you begin your trading journey, there are 5 rules you must follow. Rule number 1, set low expectations. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Don't expect every trade to be a winner. Keep your expectations low, because when you expect less, even a small profit feels like a win. And that mindset will keep you in the game long enough to become consistently profitable. Rule number 2, don't quit too early. Think about it. Every consistently profitable trader you know has one thing in common. They didn't become profitable in their first week or their first month. They stayed in the game long enough to learn. Let's take the example of Andrew Aziz. He's a full-time day trader, a best-selling author, and someone known for his strict risk management. One of his most important rules is simple. Never risk more than 2% of your trading account on a single trade. Notice something? His success didn't come from a secret strategy. It came from staying disciplined, protecting his capital, and showing up consistently for years. That's what separates profitable traders from everyone else. They don't quit when things get hard. They keep learning, they keep improving, and they keep showing up. Rule number 3. Apply what you learn. Knowledge alone won't make you profitable. Execution will. Even if you learn just 1% from a book, or from a course, or a mentor, apply it to your trading. Because reading more doesn't make you a better trader. Applying what you learn does. Small improvements, applied consistently, create big results over time. Rule number 4. Define your niche first. Before you place your first trade, decide what kind of trader you want to become. Do you want to trade stocks, crypto, forex, or options? Do you want to be a scalper, a day trader, a swing trader, or a long-term investor? Pick one. Because if you try to master everything, you'll end up mastering nothing. The fastest way to improve is to focus on one market, one strategy, and one style of trading until you become consistently profitable. Rule number 5, stay consistent. Start small. Because if you take massive losses in the beginning, there's a good chance you'll quit before you ever improve. So don't focus on making big money. Focus on staying in the game. Trade small. Learn every day. Stay consistent, because consistency is the one habit that turns an average beginner into a consistently profitable trader. Remember, trading isn't about getting rich in one trade. It's about showing up, improving, and staying consistent every single day. Your brain just learned something powerful. Don't let it forget. If this story felt a little too familiar, you already know what to do. Subscribe and ring the bell, because the next video might be the one that finally changes everything. And don't forget to hype it up and share it with someone who really needs to hear this. At last. I just want to say thank you for watching till the end. That tells me you are sincere about your future. And sincere people get sincere results. And this last one is just for you. Have a great future. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye!